Introducing Floor Seal Render Cleaner Softwash Solution, the simple, effective way to restore and refresh exterior render surfaces. Designed to remove algae, organic growth, dirt and grime, it transforms tired, discolored walls back to a clean, like new appearance. Before you start, always read the technical data sheet on the product page. Test the product on a small, inconspicuous area first. This test will help you to gauge the level of dilution required. Dilute and apply Render Cleaner Softwash Solution based on the level of contamination encountered using a pump-up sprayer. Allow the product to dwell on the surface so it can break down organic growth and staining. Do not allow the product to dry. Lightly mist with water or ideally more product to keep the surface damp. For heavier contamination, a second application may be required. Highly stained areas can be gently agitated with a soft brush if needed. Once the cleaning process is complete, rinse thoroughly with clean water, working from the top down. Allow the surface to dry naturally. Suitable for most types of external render, including modern silicone renders and traditional cement and lime renders. You can maintain the surface by periodically applying Floor Seal Green Remover Concentrate to inhibit the return of organic growth. Floor Seal Render Cleaner Softwash Solution, an easy way to bring tired render back to life and keep your property looking clean and well-maintained all year round.